Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to place for real, honest, and insightful reviews. Today, we're bringing you what we believe is the best replacement for the Filbur FC 2390, the AmiBron C-4950 spa filter. A drop-in hot tub filter designed to deliver premium performance and durability without breaking the bank. This is a 2-pack spa filter, each with a 50-square-foot filtration area, and it's designed to replace several popular models including the Pleatco PRB50IN, Unicell C-4950, Filbur FC 2390, O3 Fil 1600, and 373045. Compatible with a range of jacuzzi models, like J210, J220, J235, J245, and J275. This filter makes it easy to find the right fit for your setup. With a size of 5 inches in diameter and 13 and 5/16 inches in length, plus 2 and an 1/8 inch top and bottom openings, it's made for easy drop-in installation. What really sets the AmiBron C-4950 apart is its NSF-certified filtration media. This isn't just marketing. This certification means that the materials used meet strict public health and safety standards. So, whether it's your family soaking in the hot tub or guests at a rental, you're ensuring the water is clean, fresh, and safe. The filter is also built using a trilobal fabric structure, which not only traps more contaminants but also makes cleaning a breeze. Speaking of cleaning, AmiBron recommends rinsing the filter every 2 weeks, and thanks to that trilobal design, impurities rinse away quickly, leaving the filter nearly as good as new. With proper maintenance, these filters are made to last 1 to 2 years. That's a solid lifespan, especially considering the affordable price and performance it delivers over time. In terms of performance, this filter delivers excellent water clarity and helps your hot tub system run efficiently. From clearer water to a better functioning pump, it's the kind of upgrade that pays for itself. AmiBron's brand message is all about protection and quality. AmiBron protects your health. And for a company that may not be a household name yet, it's doing a great job offering high-standard filtration products that meet or exceed OEM specs. To wrap it up, if you're looking to replace your Filbur FC 2390 or similar filters, the AmiBron C-4950 is our top pick for quality, compatibility, and value. Easy to install, simple to clean, and built to last. That's why it's the best Filbur FC 2390 replacement on the market. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what products you want us to test next. See you in the next review.